To become like the people you continually associate with.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure you guys like this video and also remember to follow me on Instagram. My Instagram name is Jimmy_Susbury, which is right here on the screen. And without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video. This video in particular is gonna be about me chilling with Misfit for the first time, man. So these guys are really good people. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys some of the cars that's out here and just kind of take you guys through this journey, through this experience. So you guys stay tuned.
I ran up a check, I might do it again. Enemies close, have me thinking they're friends. 10 toes down, I'll be free until the end. Crib outside the city, I don't feel safe in my hands. Took so many years, I'm just waiting for the wins. I'm in debt to no one but the one who took my sins. I do it for real, there's no reason to pretend. If I do it once, I do it again. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up. I'm just doing me, everything is on me. Oh, you matter what? Add it up, bankroll, euro.
Life is what you make it. My shit been amazing. I can't see a way out. I've been stacking face down off canvases I painted. I just spent the rain day on shit I can't afford, but that's the price I pay for the memories I'm making. I've been going places. I've been shaking hands for a chance to really make it. This life is so abrasive. So I almost gave it. All this shit I'm laying.
Frosty right behind us.
That's what I'm saying. That's exactly what I was thinking. Man, you can't go nowhere.
Right?
Nah, you can't go nowhere.
Nervous as shit. I was right behind. I was like, whoa, hold on, what's going on? 1 second.
Right? Did you punch it?
Yeah, I punched it. Yeah, about 2-3 times. That was it. You know what I'm saying?
He said he went light.
I had to go light.
I knew you was going to. It's nice though, bro. You keep it in the garage?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
What's the gas like? Like 25, fill it up. I use the V-Power shell. You gotta go high premium when you drive. You can tell if you go real gas and it definitely shows. Performance gonna be there.
yeah.
Take off is good, so yeah. Well, I can definitely do that takeoff. We took off like God.
Damn, yeah.
He took off,
Did you punch it when you left up?
all the way to the floor?
Yeah. I was switching gears once I got down.
How fast you went in?
Like 7.
He said, how fast you been in it?
I've been like 140 in it.
Damn.
It goes to 220, it's a dash.
What?
You wanna go again, bro? You got me feeling bad.
He said, got me feeling bad.
That's like a van.
What's that?
70 miles per hour.
No, he said you can go with it.
You can go faster than that, big dog. You know you hit it. Hey, so once you hit 1,000, I can go live now.
Yeah, bro, you can go 1,000 subs.
I'm at 1,022 right now. 1K, big step over.
Yes, sir.
Look at him. Okay. Started from the bottom.
Nice here.
He was at like 200. He was like 200 or something like that.
Right there.
That's that continuous grind, man. And not letting nobody tell you to do it.
Yeah.
I'm gonna park right now.
Yeah, they hard.
That's one thing about being a YouTuber, bro. One thing you should not do as a YouTuber is look at your anesthetics. That's
Yeah. Yeah.
You don't never look at your anesthetics.
You about to go live?
You look at your anesthetics, that's really good.
For real? My man, 1,000 plus. I'm proud of my dog, man.
I'm gonna invest into your channel, man. I am still doing this kid, so.
Really?
I mean, I gotta do a little smoke or something before. Everybody, over here. That's happening. I'm sorry, I can't hear over that loud one. America just left. Damn. She went there.
What's going on here? That's the Ninja Blender.
Ninja blender. Damn.
Sorry, she's charging her phone.
Let go, run. Oh, okay.
Not my fault. She's charging her phone.
Make sure. All right, listen.
Sorry, brother.
First of all,
It's not a
I
blender.
want to thank everybody for coming here today. This is our biggest event yet. All right, I have to give all due to Miss Victoria over here. And come on, Chris over here. All right, these are the first two ladies of the Misfit Mafia. And it was their idea to put this back to school bash together. So, with that being said, I'm going to let you know that they handled it from beginning to end. We gave them the ropes, we let them do everything, and as y'all can see, it's a success.
Yeah.
We have donations on the table, we got a raffle, and with that raffle, we got some great raffles that are going on. I can't tell you what they are because I wasn't in charge of it, but what I can tell you is,
You seen them though, huh?
You seen him?
hey, brother, can you grab that bucket for me right there?
Yeah, grab the bucket.
All right, so,
Gotta move.
well, we gotta let somebody come through.
You gotta
If you have not gotten or received a raffle ticket yet for your donation, please see these ladies for your ticket. If not, see them any damn way for a raffle ticket. We have a DJ in the back. Hey, look, I love looking at cars all day long, but I like AC as well. They're serving drinks, food, everything. If you follow this grass path all the way to the back, we're gonna go ahead and do that as well. So make sure you get your raffle ticket. I don't know what time it's gonna happen. Hey man,
you've been interrupting a lot.
Stop it, man. Hey, look.
This one is 5
But
seconds.
if anybody's been following the Misfits since the beginning, the inception, the one thing we always like to say is we do it for the kids. And this is the first time we've actually done something for the kids. Other than letting them take pictures,
For real now.
doing drive-by birthday parties and stuff like that. This is the first time we actually did something for the kids. I want to thank all Team Bass for being out here. I want to thank Fast Tech for being out here. I want to thank all 45 South for being out here. Clear Lake Coffee. Blessed Nation in here. I'm sorry, brother.
Jimmy, man.
Jimmy.
All right, I'm not a YouTuber. But let's be talking about YouTube. I want to
Yes.
everybody's attention to this brother right here. Back
Yes,
to
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, he's 100K right here.
Hey!
Where the water at? Get the tickets and car. 30 minutes. 30 minutes. We're gonna go to the back and we're gonna
Wait. I dropped my cup. Hold on. I wasn't expecting the goddamn heavy feet. So funny one time. We goddamn back to the money. We over and we out. You know it. Come on,
Y'all
nigga.
know what it is, man. She going back to the money.
Yes, sir.
And we out.
Oh, shit.
Hey.
Back the camera. I'll do it.
That's kind of wild, man.
Yo, what is you know, it's about Blessed Nation. Y'all go subscribe, smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my boy Jimmy Salisbury. You know, we put out some live ass content for you guys right now. We got the drones flying everywhere, you know what I mean?
Yes,
we got everything
sir.
going. We got the lights in the car, you feel me? You know what I mean?
Yes, sir.
We just having a good time. We just vibe, you feel me? It comes down to the kids. You know what I'm saying? You know, this
Yeah.
we're doing this for that's what the process is for.
Yep.
You know, we got kids here too, obviously too. So what I'm saying, you know, just go follow me on Instagram. I am Blessed Nation. Go subscribe. You know, appreciate it.
Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. We get you in the bed, we don't do much talking. Come to think about it, don't do much often. And that's how we like it. Never time for arguing and fighting. And if we do, you know it's quick to make up. Pay for all your manicures and makeup. Make sure that your paper's straight, no pay cuts. Take care of my baby like a daycare. Hop in the hood, baby, and slide my way. I'll play to catch it, baby, just slide on me. Only time you lie is when you lie on me. Be my forever, baby, come ride my wave. Hop in the hood, baby, and slide my way. I'll play to catch it, baby, just slide on me.